Hey, mobile gaming fans! Welcome back to the channel. If you're all about leveling up your mobile game experience without breaking a sweat, you're definitely in the right place. Before we jump in, make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss out on new tips, tricks, and game hacks we drop every week. Today I'm showing you a super quick hack tutorial to grab unlimited coins in Tango Live. It works directly on your phone, Android, or iOS, and no need rooting or jailbreaking. Let's get started. First things first, check that Tango Live is running the latest version. Head over to the App Store or Google Play, search for the game, and if you see an update button, tap it. Running the latest build helps the tool work smoothly and avoids any hiccups during the process. All updated? Great, let's keep going. Now open your browser and go to the site I'm using in this tutorial. Once you're there, search Tango Live Unlimited Coins Hack, and it'll take you straight to the page with the tool. It's all set up and ready, just follow along with me. On the tool page, look for an inject button. It's usually nice and bright so you can't miss it. Tap that, and the tool will begin syncing with your app. This part only takes a few seconds, just hang tight while it does its thing. Almost done. Before your resources gets added, you'll need to pass a quick human check. This step helps prevent bots from abusing the system. Usually you just download a free app and follow a quick task, like opening it and clicking around for a bit. If you're unsure what to do, there's often a tutorial video right on the page to guide you. Once that's done, you're all set. Now launch Tango Live and take a look at your coins balance. If you followed the steps, you should see the boost right there in your account. I tested it myself and it worked like a charm. And that's it. A fast, safe, and easy way to load up on coins with Tango Live Hack. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video and share it with your friends who play too. Got stuck or have a question? Drop it in the comments, I check them often, and I'm here to help. And of course, hit subscribe and tap that notification bell so you're always first to know when I post more mobile gaming guides and tricks. Thanks for tuning in, enjoy your boost, and I'll catch you in the next video.